Hello and welcome. My name is Andy Packham. I'm currently employed by Sussex Transport, based in Lancing, West Sussex, as a lifting and training manager. I have over 25 years experience in the lifting and crane industry and currently also sit on the ALMI Executive Forum Committee. Today we decided to make a short video to explain some of the most common questions we get asked when clients make a phone call to the office. If you do have any questions at the end of this video, please do not hesitate to contact us on 01903 75 1100. Many thanks. Questions we get asked often is how much space do you require to access and rig a lorry loader? Since 2010, all lorry loaders with a capacity of 4 tonne a metre or more are fitted with stability leg beam supervision, which basically means the crane has the ability to work out a lift capacity based on the stabiliser leg extension. The 3 extending leg options we have are a full rig, where all legs are fully extended and are normally our default option. Short rigged, where all legs are extended approximately halfway out. Or partial rig, where the lifting side is fully extended and the non-lifting side stabiliser is only extended partially, where access is limited, i.e. passing vehicles. At all times when the crane is to be used, the operator will place under each foot a crane support mat which increases its footprint, thus reduces the pressure it exerts on the ground by the crane. Lorry loaders have stabilisers, not like a mobile crane which have jacks, so the pressure is lower, but we do have to keep the wheels in contact with the ground. Crane manufacturers also dictate an allowance if the ground is not level. In this case, hiab state 5 degrees. For the latest information on our fleet or any changes in regulations or guidance, please go to our website, which is www.sussextransport.com. Thank you.